Right, another Stirling engine. I haven't got the number on this one yet, but I know it's a George Carette. It's the big brother to this one. And I know it's a George Carette because if you look at this transmission stay, it's exactly the same as that one. Exactly the same. I haven't found any markings on it. It's got, I don't know if that was paint or plating, but I think it's paint. It's coming off. It's not seized. I haven't cleaned it yet. I'm going to go careful with the cleaning because it looks like the paintwork is actually in reasonable condition. I think it's going to come up quite nice. One thing I did like about it, it's not seized, it's all moving. It's all moving, but it's got, I've got the chimney, but look, chimney's got rust. This is going to go in a pot of rust eater. That'll remove the rust, so there's not much I can do with them holes. Look. That's the burner base. So basically what happens is the chimney goes in there. I've got this little ring. Now I think this is a securing ring. So what I think is the chimney comes up through there like that, and I think that securing ring drops over the top and drops. I think it drops in there. Might be wrong, but and then that slots in rather nicely, and there you have the chimney. So that's that part. One thing I did really like. Right, so there's the original burner. But then I thought, well, where would I put that? And this is where you put your spirit, actually in here. Very nice. So you put your spirit in there. You put the long end in there, so it soaks up the spirit. Like that. And it's even still working. Probably want a little bit of adjustment, but very nice. Original burner built into the base. I've never seen that before. Normally they're like this one, just a little burner tip in. So it's going to need some work. The transmission is working all right. It's not seized, so I'm going to give it a clean down in a minute. And I've got the garage open today. It's a bit windy, so what normally happens is it blows the flames about. But I might try with my Bics just there, just to see if I can get any life out of the machine. Yeah, quite nice. Not sure what colour these were painted. These look like they were black. These look like they were brown. Probably the same colour as this. So when I clean this up, I'll see the colour. And we'll take it from there. But it's a shame about the chimney, but it's only decorative really. It's not really functioning much. So once it's you know, de-rusted and painted, I've got to paint that. I can't just leave it as rust. I try not to paint too much on the old models, but this one was ruined, so I had to paint it. But it's come out quite nice. So anyway, it's just a little one. I'm going to start giving it a clean down, see what I can get up on these the colours, and that'll have to be overnight in the rust eater. And then once I put the rust eater on it, this probably polishes up, and the rest of it will just be black in heat resistant paint. So I'll leave it there, guys, but this is a nice one to watch, so I think this will be a nice model. This little one runs lovely, and I'm hoping this one runs the same. So leave it there, and I'll be back with this one in a day or two. Cheers, guys.